sa Petra. This is part of Jordan. Stay there 2 days. We're going to stay here for 2 days and then we're going to fly going back to Japan on the 30th of October. This is really magnificent place, you know? Look at those views behind me. It's really amazing. And this is my friend.
Hello, Jordan.
Come here. We are on a live video.
Hello, I'm here in
We are here.
Puno mo naman ako habang puno mo naman ako. Okay.
Ayan. Hello. I'm here in Petra.
Ate, say hello, ate.
Hello.
Yes.
Ano video?
Yes.
Hello.
Where are they?
Ito, iba na.
Hi, Ray.
Hello. I'm going to share this in YouTube, you know. Yes, I'm going to upload this video in YouTube. And
It's my birthday. Can you video me? Na-upload in YouTube.
Asa si Ruth?
Sumakay.
look at those carvings on the walls.
Hello, brother.
Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. So maganda.
Wala kang masabi.
Wow, sugoy. Sugoy. Really sugoy. Father Gary, say hello. Manawagan ka na sa taga Iloilo.
Welcome to Petra.
Yeah.
Bahay ko.
Ganda.